Toilet Tummy Making 101. We are passé.
The basic idea of a toilet tummy is to place an object in the tank of the toilet so it takes up space. As a result, after each flush, less water fills the tank, saving water. Place your object in the tank of the toilet. I used a plastic water bottle and I attached a hanger to the top. I'm going to make it look nice and neat, but I'm going to bend the hanger over the edge of the toilet tank so the water bottle stays put and doesn't migrate over to the flapper and then possibly lodge underneath the flapper and keep it open. That would be not good. The final product. Cleaned up the hanger, took some pliers, cut it down a little bit, bent it over the back side of the tank so you can't see it. You might want to check this every now and then to see if the hanger is rusted away or to clean it up if it has rusted away. But other than that, you should be good.
All right, listen up. I have a quick question for y'all. Do you have a toilet? And if so, you're going to have to flush it, right? Well, as you can see from my math, and after converting fluid ounces to gallons, my toilet tummy saves 0.13 gallons of water per flush. And I flush this toilet on average 8 times per day. Not me alone, but myself, my wife, and 3 children. I'll average 8 flushes per day. So I'll save 31.2 gallons of water per month, which equates to 374 gallons of water saved per year. And the beauty of it is, all I have to do is install this toilet tummy once and never have to think about it again. Look, the one argument I've heard about toilet tummies is, well, if there's less water filling the tank, then I'll probably have to flush twice anyhow. So why even install one? Hey, great point. But why don't you test that theory out? Actually keep track of the data and use data to decide if the toilet tummy is something that will benefit you. An added bonus is saving money. I know saving 40 cents per month is not going to make me Richie Rich. But don't I have to flush the toilet regardless? Hey, you can buy a toilet tummy or repurpose an item like I did. Find yourself a plastic water bottle, fill it up with rocks, and put it in there. Just make sure you secure it to the side of the tank.